let's do day 2 hair. And by that I mean, let's get my hair back to looking better and with more style after 2 days of exercising, sweating, showering, all the things. I just got out of the shower. I usually put it up like this, and I use a shower cap in the shower, and I get kind of wet around here. I also wear a ball cap when I'm out walking, so my head can get hot. I have dry hair. I only like to wash my hair max 2 times a week, and it's now day 2. So I wash it on Friday, Saturday, and a day is Sunday. So I'm considering that day 2 hair. So let's get it down. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. And I dried it straight on Friday. And you can see it's kind of lost some of its oomph. It's actually not very humid the last few days here in Florida. I live in Florida, and normally this could be really fuzzy and frizzy, but because it's not hasn't been as humid the last few days, it's not so bad. So here it is. And I want to give it a little bit of an oomph and get some more days out of it. I don't like to use a lot of products like dry shampoo and things like that, because I like my hair to kind of feel clean, and I feel like the dry shampoo can make it kind of sticky and stuff. So I try to stay away from that. I also have dry, frizzy, curly hair. It's pretty coarse, and so I can go quite a while without washing it. So that's why I do it twice a week, because it is dry and because I'm trying to keep the, I don't know, I just don't want to have as dry and damaged hair if I wash it too much. So twice a week is kind of my limit, and I can go once a week if I really, really want to. It just depends on the weather, because if it gets really fuzzy and frizzy, it starts to drive me crazy, and then I kind of want to do another wash, blow it dry straight, or I'll wear it curly. So today is going to be a straight hair, or a more straight style with my Shark FlexStyle. So I am going to be using my Shark FlexStyle. This is my go-to for styling on most days. I have all kinds of attachments. I have the diffuser, I have the auto wraps, I have, what else is in here? I have the oval attachment. There is also a paddle attachment, which makes it straight. And then I have 2 other things in here that I have the nozzle for when you're blow drying your hair straight. And then there is this smoothing one, which I still haven't used, and it's got the tag still on it. So I haven't used this one, and today's not a humid, frizzy day, so I'm not actually gonna use that one either. And when I bought the Shark, I got this great bag, so I can pop everything into the bag and use it like that. So I sort of want to show you, I thought I would do one side of my hair so you can see the difference, and I'm going to actually use the auto wraps today. I find that if I use these, I get a good curl, it smooths out my hair, it brings back some more body, and it'll last several days. And because my hair is dry, frizzy, curly, I can really hold a curl, like as in a curl that I put in myself, as in whether I do a curling iron, one of these type of items. So it really works for me. So I am just going to section off my hair, and you know what, I'm just gonna brush it, comb it a little bit. I have a wide tooth comb like this. And then let's just I don't part my hair normally. I don't actually part it, it just falls like that. So it's kind of a little off center, which is fine. So I'm just gonna go down the back because I want to show you one side versus the other. So I'm just gonna take one side, this side, my left side, and I'm gonna get a little rubber band, and I'm gonna show you the difference because it'll be interesting to see. So we're gonna keep this side over here, and I'm gonna show you how I do the auto wrap on this side so we have a comparison. I will not talk, I'll speed it up. So if you want to skip to the next chapter when it's all done to see the difference of the 2 sides, you can do that as well. So let's just start. It gets a little loud. So here is the Shark FlexStyle. You can take this little tab right here and turn it so then it'll be like a hair dryer, or if you have it like this, you can take an attachment or any of the attachments. It has little indentations, so you can just snap it in like this and it snaps in. So there it is. And then if you're gonna do the auto wraps, which are these curling ones, you're gonna need to decide left or right. So I'm gonna use the right because this is my right side. It may be reversed in the video, and then I have one for the left side. So you just have to make sure you are using the right auto wrap for the side that you're working on. That can be annoying if you're switching from left to right, because you're gonna have to remove it, put the other side on, and then put this one back on when you get to the side you wanna work on. But I'm just gonna stay on the right side and do my hair. So it's really easy. It's an airflow kind of situation where this turns on and it's gonna grab the hair and it's gonna twist it around the auto wrap. The cool thing about this one, the Shark, is that it gets really hot. So if you need a hot heat to do your curls, that's great. So you have 3 temperature settings and 3 airflow settings. And I put it on the highest heat and the highest airflow. So, and if you need to do a cool shot, you've got that right here as well. And then you have an on and off. So let's get started. I'm gonna do this side of my hair. And like I said, skip to the next chapter if you wanna skip me doing it and just see the end results. The other thing I'm gonna do also before I start is I'm gonna section it in pieces because I find that you can grab hair that you don't want. And I like smaller sections. So I'm gonna kind of keep it in small sections like this and then drop as I go. So it shouldn't take me very long, and I can actually time it and see how long it goes so that I give you an idea. Even though I'm gonna speed it up, I can also tell you how long it takes. So let's see, I need the stopwatch. Start. Okay, here we go. That is one side down, and let's stop that and see what that is. So that was 8 minutes and 31 seconds. So if you were watching, so that's one side, 8 minutes. And it has a really pretty soft curl. Now, if you don't want the ends to curl like this, then you should probably be using a hot tool like a curling iron or something like that. I really do like my Lange Duo, which I'll link that video below of how I used that to do like waves and curls, but keeping the ends kind of straight, which is also a different kind of look. But I kind of love this because it gives it a nice soft like wave curl at the end. And so I love this. So let's look at both sides together. So this is just flat out of the shower. I haven't blow dried, done anything. And then this side is the just soft wave. Now I can do some root lifting if I want. I could use a product for that. I could spray it with a little spray. And I normally do take something like this. This is the Rising Star Amica Volumizing Finishing Spray. I love this. I also like the smell of it. And I would just like that and let it dry a little bit. And then let's flip it over and see what it looks like. So just give it a little shake. And I'm gonna dry this side a little bit with so that is the difference. I have a just straight kind of hair right out of the shower, exercising, 2 days hair. And then I have this really pretty soft, and it'll fall down. I could actually curl maybe this one a little bit more because I feel like this one was at the beginning and got a little looser because it was one of the first ones, whereas it got hotter as it went up, but I don't mind that. And that is how I do my hair day 2 to get a little bit more body, a little bit more style, and then it will last. But it won't be, you know, this curly over a few days instead of having it just blow dried straight like this. So that is how I use my Shark Flex Auto Wraps on day 2. If you like this video or if you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Please hit the like and subscribe. You'll get notified when new videos go up. I will be doing my makeup, and actually I'll be finishing my hair because right now I'm only one side curly and the other not. So I'm gonna actually finish up the other side, and then I'll be doing my makeup. So if you're interested in that, check back, or if you're subscribed, you'll get notified when that video goes up. And I think that's it for today. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for following along as I did my day 2 hair with my Shark Auto Wrap, and I'll see you in the next video.